Ready? Start. Having regard to the use to which it was put on the relevant date envisaged under section 4 of the LA Act plus the increase in that market value because of the possibility of the acquired land being used for putting up buildings in the immediate or near future. Stop. If there is any other land with building potentiality similar to the acquired land which had been sold for a price obtained by a willing seller from a willing purchaser, such price could be taken to be the market value of the acquired land in that it would have comprised of the market value of the land as was being actually used plus increase in price attributable to its building potentiality. Stop. If the prices fetched by sale of similar land with building potentiality in the neighborhood or vicinity of the acquired lands with building potentiality as on the relevant date envisaged under section 4 of the LA Act are unavailable, it becomes necessary to find out whether any building plots laid out in a land similar to the acquired land had been sold by a willing seller to a willing buyer on or near about the relevant date under section 4 when the acquired land had been proposed for acquisition, and then to find out what would be the price which the acquired land would have fetched if had been sold by making it into building plots similar to those sold. Stop para. In other words, an hypothetical layout of building plots in the acquired land similar to that of the layout of building plots actually made in the other similar land has to be prepared, and the price fetched by sale of building plots in the layout actually made should form the basis for fixing the total price of the acquired land with building potentiality to be got if plots similar to other plots had been made in the later land and sold by taking into account plus factors and minus factors involved in the process. Stop. The disinclination of the vendor to part with his land and the urgent necessity of the purchaser to buy it must alike be disregarded. Stop. Neither must be considered as acting under compulsion. Stop. The value of the land is not to be estimated at its value to the purchaser, but this does not mean that the fact that some particular purchaser might desire the land more. Stop.